Chubby drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I lied. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, I'm around, man.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be filming and vlogging about Goodguys car show. We're gonna be taking two of my cars today, and we're taking the CTS V3, as y'all can see back there. I don't know if y'all can see it. And we're taking my Chevy SS, the car that I'm in right now. And yeah, hopefully you guys like this vlog. Come on, let's go to Goodguys. So we're gonna be taking my V3, like I said. Wiped her down a little bit. Taking the Chevy SS LSA. Gonna clean the wheels out there. But wiped her down. She looking good. Ooh-wee. Come on, let's go see what my boy's bringing. Give me a second. My boy's Trackhawk. Check these out. Clean the shit out of his calipers. Trackhawk with red interior. Ooh. It is for sale though. If you guys do like the Trackhawk. 75K or best offer for the Trackhawk. C7Z06. Ooh. It is for sale too. Check that out. 1,200 miles. Oh, this thing's hella clean. 80,000 or best offer for it. We're taking the nice back roads. Cruising. Got the V3 back there. Z06 and Trackhawk in the front. Man, this way is so beautiful. Come on, we're gonna see you guys at Goodguys car show though. Before we get into the car show, pulled over, got some ice and some other stuff. Check my brother out. Let my brother drive the V3. He almost took me out right now. Got the Z06 over there. ZL1 right here. Yeah, we better get inside Goodguys car show. Let's go. Welcome to Goodguys car show, huh? Damn, cars everywhere. We're gonna take a little tour, but I'm gonna pull over and show y'all everything. Oh my God, he's a classic. Fat boy. Did you not see you ran over the whole caution tape, bro, and it's melting on the exhaust?
What? That's why I went forward.
Bruh, you are the get in the passenger seat. Oh my God. How did he do this? Someone tell me. Well, look like I'm gonna be driving because my brother does not know how to drive. We're gonna go park it at the other side. So we made it back over here to the cars. Shout out to Optima, let us park in this section. We got the LT4s over here, ZL6 and the V3. We got the Trackhawk and the Chevy SS over there. They loving it.
Pulling on that thing.
Look at this boy. You about to be shitting. You about to be pooping. Just like I said earlier with the red interior. We out here killing it. I like this little buggy. I like that. Got everything out here. Got the car show out here. They doing the little drive around. This thing's stupid packed.
I love this car, bro. The SRT8.
Man, with a Hellcat motor, that's what it needs. God, look at this.
Cotton on pools, man. What the fuck is this?
What the fuck is this? This looks insane. Oh, he trying to skirt off. Oh, he pulling. I can't take my brother anywhere, bro. He get all type of pictures. I know you. I know you hate this, bro. That motherfucker loud, huh? C8. Check that out. Drop top convertible. Ooh, Cobra. This is what made for these Cobras. All types of shit. All the cars leaving. What you got right there, Unc?
Fire. Chicken strip.
Fire, no liar, or that's just liar?
Oh, we got it how we got to get it.
Got him enjoying life right here.
Bro, I wouldn't even lie to you. I'm happy now.
He's happy now, huh? I got the basic, bro. I just got a sandwich. How was your little 6th grade ride, bro? You stuck. Why'd it stop? You stuck right. You might as well jump down. Jump down. I got you $100. Jump down. You ain't gonna break a leg. We got life insurance. You good? God. Nicest car here. Oh, God. That's the full loaded one, too. Carbon wing, carbon side skirt, carbon hood. What's going on, everybody? We are headed home for the day. Hope I got enough footage for you guys, and we're on the way home, man. Hopefully you guys get a couple freeway pulls right now. My boy probably records, which he probably won't, but let's just get it. My car's stuck in 2013. God, I don't even think it came out then. That's crazy. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna have another Good Guys vlog. We're gonna do it tomorrow. Hopefully I could get some pulls right now, so maybe. We'll hope so. But yeah, come on. What's going on, everybody? Unfortunately, we won't get no pulls today. I don't got a person to take the video for me, but we'll probably get some in the next vlog or something. Other than that, man, this is probably the end of the vlog. Thank you to everybody. If you guys watched the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys at the next one.